update on our off-grid property. I'm on my way back up there right now, and basically what had happened is we couldn't get the road into the spot that we had originally leased, so we ended up in a temporary spot, but now there's another spot that we can move the trailer to, that's kind of up on a rock and it's overlooking the water, so it's gonna be quite nice. But to get the trailer up there, I need to get a load of gravel in and build a couple of ramps, level off the top of the rock, just to make it a little easier to level the trailer. And yeah, I got to fix up a little bit of the road going in to where our spot is. It's a little swampy in one spot, so I'm going to use half a load of gravel there and some big rocks as a base to kind of fix that up. And there's not going to be a lot of people traveling on it, just me and one other person. So yeah, so that's what we're doing now. So this was our temporary spot. This is what we had. Got a little bit of work left to do here. You know, wasn't too bad, but just wasn't what we wanted. Okay, so when I got here, the guy was actually just around the corner with the gravel, so I didn't get a chance to record him dumping the gravel, and then he got stuck and whatever. So anyways, there's my load of gravel here. It'll be all right. This will fix the road in, and I couldn't get them to dump in two spots because I didn't have the other spot quite ready, because he got here right when I got here. So let's go take a look and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the site up on top of this rock. So right in here between these two trees, I'm gonna have to build a little ramp to get the truck out. And as you can see right here, basically if I get down lower, right about here, this is where the tongue of the trailer is going to be, and I gotta bring this up a little bit and level this off. And I was thinking of just shaving this down, but I've got this part of the rock here that's kind of up a little bit. But anyways, I got a little bit of clearing to do here. Finished cutting up my logs, but yeah, once I clear some of the smaller stuff, nice view of the water. Hey, so that's the fire pit we're using to burn the brush. So basically we got to bring the trailer right up in there, so I've got to finish ramping that, which means I'm gonna have to cut down some of these trees that have fallen and some of this brush, but it'll be fun. Somebody's calling me, and it's one of those CRA scammers. So yeah, our front door is going to be right here. Look, this is what we're going to be looking out. I'm going to build a deck right here. I got to clean up all that brush over there. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Lots of wheelbarrowing to do. Lots of wheelbarrowing to do this weekend. And there's my pile. Okay. Now, I don't know. I hope it's going to be enough. We'll see. Let's go. It's 5/8 crush rock. It'll bind nice. Yeah, it'll be all right. Anyways, time right now is 12:45, so
I gotta go